This video is What is Accounting Part 3, and we will talk about organizations using accounting information. In previous videos, we defined accounting as telling the financial story of a business, using the tools available to an accountant. Well, what are those tools used to tell the financial story? Those tools are financial statements. The income statement, statement of stockholders' equity, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. These statements are the tools used to tell the financial story of an organization. And what are the organizations that use financial statements? What are the organizations that use accounting information? There are three types of organizations that use accounting information: for-profit entities, not-for-profit entities, and government entities. Let's take a look at each type of entity. For-profit entities are the organizations we think about when we think about accounting. These are the businesses that try to make a profit, and we will define profit in more detail later. But profit basically means you take in money from selling goods and services, you pay expenses to provide those goods and services. A profit happens when the money taken in is more than the expenses. In other words, think of profit as having money left over at the end of the month after paying all your bills. For-profit entities represent some of the most popular companies in the world: Facebook, Apple, Alphabet, which is really Google, Victoria's Secret, the National Basketball Association, or the NBA, and the National Football Association, or the NFL, are all for-profit entities. Each of these companies have accountants that prepare financial statements to communicate their financial stories. Every not-for-profit organization or charity must use accounting information. A charity doesn't try to make a profit. A charity takes in donations and spends all of those donations or income from those donations on providing goods and services. Lone Star College is a not-for-profit entity. Lakewood Church is a not-for-profit entity. United Way and American Red Cross are not-for-profit entities. Each of these entities also have accountants that create financial statements to tell their financial story. Lastly, we have government entities. These include the federal government, state government, city government, local counties and towns. These organizations also use accounting information to prepare financial statements that tell their financial story to the public. For-profit entities, not-for-profit entities, and government entities all use accounting information to prepare financial statements. These financial statements then tell the financial story of each entity.